Hey there, first home buyers. If you're dreaming of getting into the Australian housing market but feeling overwhelmed by huge deposits and costs, then this video is for you. There's massive changes coming to the Home Guarantee Scheme on October the 1st, 2025 that could help you buy your first home a lot sooner. So right now, the Home Guarantee Scheme lets first home buyers get a home loan with just a 5% deposit. And the government guarantees the loan so that the lender does not need to mortgage insure and pass on the premium to the borrower. What it basically means is that you don't need to pay lender's mortgage insurance. But there are limits. There's only 35,000 spots available each year, and there were income caps. So 125k for singles or 200k if you're a couple. That means that if you earned more than that, you would not have been eligible for this scheme. Now from October the 1st, everything changes. The government's removing the cap on spots so everyone who qualifies can apply, and there are no more waiting lists. They're also scrapping the income cap so it doesn't matter how much you earn. Plus, property price caps are going up in most areas. So in places like Melbourne or Victoria, it means you can afford to buy a nicer home. Now this is huge because you don't need to save for years for a 20% deposit. And skipping that insurance could literally save you thousands. So imagine you're in Victoria looking at a 700k home in Melbourne or Geelong. With the new scheme, you'd only need a 5% deposit. That's 35,000 instead of 140k for a 20% deposit. You'd also avoid about 25k in mortgage insurance costs based on what the government's saying. Now let's talk stamp duty, the tax you pay when buying a home. In Victoria, first home buyers get a break. For a 700k home, you'd pay around 24,700 in stamp duty after the concession, instead of the full 37k. If your home was under 600,000, you'd pay zero stamp duty. And then it's a sliding scale between 600 and 750k. Now keep in mind, the scheme doesn't change the stamp duty, and you'll still have other costs like legal fees or inspections. So what's the catch? Well, with more people able to buy sooner, a report from the insurance industry warns that house prices might jump 3 to 7% in the first year because of the higher demand. So who am I? I'm Nick Gannon, a mortgage broker with Bluehive, and we've been helping first home buyers navigate the finance side of getting their first home for over 20 years. So if you have any questions, please reach out to us and we can put you on the right path to getting into your first home. October's coming fast, so don't wait. I look forward to chatting with you soon. Thank you.